Miss Pelletier here. I hope you're doing okay, that you're well and safe and healthy at home. Today we are starting our new chapter, which is entitled Unit 6, Take a Stand. So take a stand. That's an interesting expression, isn't it? What does it mean to take a stand? Well, to take a stand is when there is a cause that is very important to you and you decide first to adopt a position regarding that cause, but also to take concrete actions in order to defend your position. Okay? So we are going to see two things, two parts, two questions in this unit. First, it's going to be about the environment. The environment is a very important issue today with global warming, rising sea levels, and everything that is going on. So we are going to see how young people like you can do things at their own level in order to contribute to saving the planet, okay, and protect the environment, protect nature. Then we are going to see, yes, environment, of course, but then what can teenagers do in general in order to take part to social debates, debates that are going on in society, in the world, okay? And that will be the second part, okay? So first part, what can young people do to save the environment? And second part, how can people be actors, okay, of debates going on around the world? Maybe you know some young people who are already very young activists for any cause. So these are the two questions, the two parts that will keep us busy for the next few weeks. This unit is linked to the notion Sauver la planète and penser les futurs possibles, and that is part of the program for the second. Okay? So we really hope you enjoy this time together. Remember to always do your exercises in time, and if there is any problem, don't hesitate to email us. Okay? So take care, good luck for your work, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.